In sculpting Frankenstein's Monster, you'll learn how to sculpt a character bust from scratch. Starting off with a sphere, we'll go through fundamental sculpting techniques which you can use on your own characters. With over 10 hours of real-time sculpting lectures, you can follow along at your own pace, never missing a single stroke. We're starting off with getting the core anatomy of the monster right, focusing on the skull, general proportions, and sculpting the facial features like the eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. From there, we're moving on to building his costume, the hair, and overall making the design truly feel like Frankenstein's monster. Using the FlippedNormals face kit, we'll add pores onto the sculpt, making the character truly come to life. We'll show you easy and quick techniques for making his skin feel old, heavy, and realistic. Learn a professional workflow for sculpting characters, where we take you through the entire journey from the first brushstroke to the last skin alpha. While we are using ZBrush, the concepts and techniques you learn are entirely software agnostic, meaning that you can follow along in any sculpting software like Blender, 3D Code, or Nomad for the iPad. The course is tailored for building your confidence as a sculptor. We packed it full of knowledge and techniques to help you sculpt your own characters, and we can't wait to see your final results.